Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload your videos on YouTube. So the first thing you do is to tap on the YouTube icon here to open your YouTube. So when you open your YouTube app, tap on the plus button here and you select upload video. It shows the videos you are having from your file. Then select the video you want to upload. So you play it to confirm the video you want to upload. From this you can make the video into short if you want, if you tap on this icon here. But if you are not converting it to short, then you click on next. When you select next, enter the title of your video, enter the description, then you click back when you are done. Then under visibility you have public, unlisted and private. The public is when you want your video to be available immediately, to be published now. Unlisted means anyone with the link can view it, and private, only people you choose can view your video. And also you can schedule it by tapping on schedule. Then you select the date you want the video to come live. Let's say I want the video to come live on Friday 16th. I select 16, I press OK. Then the time I want it to come live, I can select 12 p.m. you press OK. After that you go back. Then if you want to add to playlist, select playlist, select. When you are done, you press done, you select next. You have, is this video made for kids? So if you know that the video is not made for kids, you select no, it's not made for kids. Then you click upload. Then you wait for your video to upload. Uploading video, you can tap on see video to see the video that is uploading. So your video is uploading now. So finally it shows that your video is uploaded. That's uploaded to your videos. So you can see your video here. Now you have your video uploaded. So that's how to upload videos on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Thank you.